Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use blend modes in Affinity Studio. First thing I want you to do is come here to the layers panel and then go ahead and select the layer you want to blend and then click here on this icon for adjustments, and then you can click here on color balance. Now here you'll see blend mode and I want you to click on this drop down. We have different options. For example, we have darken and multiply. Now these hide white or light pixels and you can use these for adding shadows or burning a texture onto a surface. We have other ones as well. For example, we have right here lighten or screen, and these hide black or dark pixels, and you can use these for glows or light leaks or fire effects. Then we have some contrast ones as well. For example, overlay and soft light, and these hide a 50% gray and they make darks darker and lights lighter. You can use these for color grading or adding subtle textures, and you can play around with the other options as well. But that is how to use blend modes in Affinity Studio.